Up in the air, where the eagles soar, with a whispering wind, I'm ready for more. High-speed thrills, my heart's alive, chasing the sun, oh how I thrive. Mountains below, dressed in white and green, through valleys deep, where I've never been. A symphony plays, and the drone's sweet hum, capturing moments to which I said come. Flying high over the mountaintops, with every beat my spirit never stops. X-frame band pilot, in my element I glide, painting the sky with my dreams as my guide. Through the clouds where the wild winds play, in this breathtaking world I'll forever stay. Rivers winding, glistening like stars, every twist and turn from up here it's ours. Nature's canvas, crafted with grace, every frame I capture time cannot erase. Flying faster, I feel the rush, in the heartbeat of mountains there's an unspoken hush. From peak to peak, in a dance so free, every glance a treasure, for you and me. Through valleys wide, where the spirits roam, this drone's my compass, the sky's my home. The thrill of the chase, and the beauty I find, in the play of the landscape I leave worries behind. Soaring higher, with every breath I take, in this realm of wonder, my soul's awake. Up in the clouds, where the dreams collide, with every flight I feel so alive. Extreme alpine low, the horizon calls me higher, in the world of mountains I'll never tire. Up in the skies where the eagles dare, I'm racing the wind with the world laid bare. An X-frame pilot in hand, my heart starts to soar. Through valleys and peaks, I'm forever wanting more. Each twist and turn, a dance with the breeze, leaving behind all the worries with ease. Chasing the horizon, X-frame pilot flying high. pilot, lost and unbound. So here's to the journey and all that it brings, with the heartbeat of life beneath my small wings. Chasing the horizon, forever X-frame pilot roam, in the skies where my spirit has found its true home.
I ignite the world beneath, it's just me and my chance. Through the forests and the bridges, I'm lost in this dance. X-frame pilot wings flying high where the skyline meets the sun. A pilot's thrill in every turn, freedom's just begun. Take me higher, I'm alive, feel the rush through my veins. Gliding through the city lights, dancing in the lanes. With every flip and every dive, I break the chains that bind. In this drone, X-frame pilot, find the soul. In the clouds, I'm defined. I'm so tired of wanting, speeding past the whispers in the shadows. I explore, trees reach out to touch me as I speed forevermore. Flipping over rooftops, a pulse of steel and grace. Every moment captured, a frame pilot, the king of this wild space. Heart racing like the motors in this tangled dizzy flight, lost within the pixel skies. Every angle feels so right. Crafted dreams and coded schemes, a journey knows no end. Through the maze of steel and wood, X-frame pilot is a bird on the mend. So take me into orbit, where the earth fades away. With wings made of ambition, I'll forever choose to play. As I soar above the limits in the sky, X-frame pilot, find my home. Flying fast, forever free. In this dance, I'll always roam. I ignite the world beneath, it's just me and my chance. Through the forests and the bridges, I'm lost in this dance. X-frame pilot wings flying high where the skyline meets the sun. A pilot's thrill in every turn, freedom's just begun. Take me higher, I'm alive, feel the rush through my veins. Gliding through the city lights, dancing in the my